we love camping. We go here.
So if I go on search, I'll put for kids.
We camp here.
And then camping grounds.
And we go home. Yeah. That good idea?
That's a really good idea. Thank you. We've been going outside and into nature with Atlas since he was born. Connection and escape into our local surroundings has been incredibly beneficial to all of our well-being as a family.
Is that apple?
Through the woods? Should we draw some trees?
Yep.
Do you like the woods?
Yeah.
What's your favourite bit about the woods?
Big trees.
Adventures from our doorstep are my favourite. Using our own fuel to get to a special place and into nature is really important to me. If Atlas sees me pick up single-use pollution, then he'll learn that it's just normal behaviour. It's the easiest way to teach him compassion for nature. He's really good at spotting it when we're out and about. Then we can remove it and leave a positive trace. This is something I want him to take on as he grows up. And maybe, when he's around others, they can see this positive behaviour too and replicate it.
Yeah.
Thanks, mate. Good job. This is our switch off and our reset. Turn off the noise of the day and connect with the great outdoors and each other. We're really fortunate because we live in such a beautiful location, and I want to always respect and make the most of that privilege. Top tips: pack loads of snacks. Smiles, not miles.
That's funny.
Let's go! And the moment Atlas isn't enjoying it, then we're going to stop and replan and do something else. Get happy again.